Okay guys, so I'm just here in the laundry room, and I just want to show you a quick cycle video of this machine here. And as you can see, that's all you get. See, really not much different from all the machines you see today. So it just goes to show you that this technology really has not improved that much. The wash started at like 40 something minutes. It just went up. Oh, it's draining, it says. And it apparently spin drains too. So you probably can't read that, sorry. There you go. But you saw that's basically how it washes. No different from today's stuff. This went from 20 to 30. I think I caught that on camera. That's too funny. I think my mom said she used the white cycle, so there could be a cycle that fills it all the way to the top, but I mean, you know how these wash plate washers wash, even with a full tub of water, so it's really nothing too impressive. Probably the only one thing, and if you read the video description on the other one, you'll see it too. Probably the one thing this machine has over the modern wash plates, this lid doesn't lock. You can open it at any time you want. So that's probably the only thing. Going into spin now, and it says rinse spinning. So yeah, this probably isn't the full speed you're going to get. Yeah, I'm not recording this in 60 frames per second. It's not worth it. Look at the middle there. That's also a problem too, because when you have stuff in the middle like that, there's not that much centrifugal force on the fabric, so water tends to stay there. The one thing I'll give it is that it definitely doesn't take as much time to spin up like the newer ones do, but of course that's not saying much. That's probably the wash to rinse spin, which won't be as fast as the final one, I'm sure. And I'm not going to put time slots in the video description of this video because I'm not really going to record all that much. Just some of the spin, some of the rinse, agitation, or lack thereof, of course, and then probably some of the spin, and then we'll call it a video there. And for those of you who are asking me, don't worry. I will soon make another video of the Speed Queen, okay? I know some of you have been waiting, and I'm sure you're going to want to see a washer like that after seeing this, right? Admittedly, it is pretty balanced. Oh, there it goes, now it's stopping. Or now it's going back up. Okay, see? Not consistent. Not consistent. This machine's actually shaking a bit much. May have been coming out in the video. Probably is leveling readjusted or something. Okay, so maybe that is the same as the final spin. So maybe back then machines did the same speed for both the wash to rinse spin and the final spin, which is what it should be all the time, regardless of the type of machine you have. Now, if this was the Speed Queen, okay, if it was doing the that looks really funky. Let me do that again for you. There you go. If this was the wash to rinse spin, okay, this spin, there'd be maybe, there's 24 minutes left on the timer. What would there be on the Speed Queen? Let's think. About 17 minutes, so it would definitely be less right now. Yeah, look at that. Can't even see the bottom plate. What the RPM of this machine is, I have no idea. Given what I'm seeing here, I'm going to say around 800. Oh, there we go, that's the end of the spin. No brake, of course. Now that stop was not all that bad without a brake. Probably does that though because the motor probably helps slow it down. Now it's taking water and it's draining. Okay, what is that? Is that like a rinse spin, a spray rinse or something? I don't know. It's like back in 2006, the machines were like foreshadowing what was going to happen with just about everything. It's picking up speed again. I don't know what this thing's doing, honestly. Did GE know back then? Who knows? It's spinning up again. Well, okay. I'm glad I got this on video for you. So if it's going back up to speed again, what was the whole point of that first one? That just totally baffled me right there. I have no idea what that was for. I actually wasn't too sure if I was going to be able to get a video of this for you guys doing the cycle. But I actually was able to, so as much as I don't really like this machine, I'm glad I was able to get a video for you. And my arm's shaking. See, just did it again. It slowed down, then it spun right back up. This machine's shaking a good amount. And I do want to remind you guys that there's no basement to this house, so this tiled floor is on a pretty solid slab. Yeah, it's just doing the same thing again. Interestingly enough, it does let you change settings, as you can see. Yeah, sorry for the doors, they're kind of reflecting over the glass. That's kind of why I'm angling like this. Once this stops and it does the rinse fill, I'll pause the video there and get you the agitation. I said short cycle video, but given that we're almost at 12 minutes, I guess I was wrong. There we go. Rinse filling, it says. Well, I got to admit that probably stops faster than the Speed Queen TR machines do. Is that doing the? Where the heck is that water going? Can't even tell, of course, in this kind of machine. Is it the bleach dispenser? No. That's where it would go right there if it was bleach. Kind of hard to see, I know. Well, it's filling somewhere, obviously. Oh, it is the bleach dispenser. See the water? Yeah, you can see the water going in. I don't know why it's filling through there, but okay. I probably shouldn't question it. Come back in a second if it goes through there. Yep, there it is. Now it's switched to the main dispenser. So you can see it pretty much fills exactly how you would expect any wash play washer to fill. And just slowly turns around. Even though it's already saturated with water, it still has to turn while it fills, you know? Unbelievable. You can see how tightly the fabric is on that wash plate. Wow. Wonder if Kirk Rivas watches my videos. I think he would love to see something like this. So you know how this goes. So I'm not going to make you sit here and watch this whole thing filling. I'll come back to you once it's where it should be. And here we go. It already just sounds boring compared to a direct drive or a Speed Queen, right? I will admit that rinse water is pretty clear. Oh, is this going to do what I think it's going to do now? Yep, it's mode shifting. All right, now watch this, guys. Look at this. It's like, I don't get it. What did that just accomplish? Really? That goes the other way. It's like, why? It does this during washing too, I should tell you. I didn't get that on camera, but it does the same thing. It's shifting again. You know, I should tell you guys, it's pretty amazing. This has to be the first time I've watched, actually no, second time I've watched a machine like this in person. And I never even noticed the mode shifter until just now. And right away when I heard the sound it was doing, I knew what it was. That's pretty impressive, if I may say so myself. But yep, there's your rinsing. Yep. Look at that top piece on there, huh? Totally getting turned over and rinsed. This is incredible, honestly. And once again, this machine is from 2006, so this technology is not new. Alright guys, I'm going to stop the thing here, okay? We'll come back when it does the drain. Alright guys, I think we're getting towards the end now. There's apparently a hospital rag in there, which I wasn't aware about. And we've got 10 minutes left in here. And we'll see how it goes when it gets to the end. Shifting. Aha, there we go. I can tell you right now that this drain pump is definitely louder than the Speed Queen or the direct drive itself altogether. I can tell you that right now. Whoa, a little shaky there. Went down to 7 minutes already. of course it's spread out in the middle, so there's not going to be much water removal from there. We're not at full speed yet. Changing my hands here. Sorry that it keeps going out of focus. Or it could be because of the bright color or something. Yep, just like last time, slows down and speeds up. You can even see the inertia on the grating below the dispenser drawer. Still says 4 minutes. It's been on there for a while now. Okay, I think this is a little bit faster than the wash to rinse spin. Not quite sure what the RPM is. Let's go with 1,000 because I'm really not sure. Yeah, this is definitely faster. Look at the whole bottom part can't get to the edges. That's or middle part I should say. That's just crazy. So it says cycle complete. Now watch, when I lift the lid here, let's see if this turns on automatically. Aha! See? That was the whole thing I told you about. So look at this. It apparently receives data, I guess, from the washer. See, then it does that. People may think that's cool, but I think that's completely unnecessary. It's not hard at all to turn the machine on by yourself and set it the way you want. Remember, it has to do with that plug that I showed you back there. So, there you guys have it. There was the 2006 GE Profile doing its cycle. How was it? You know which machines I think are better. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.